have spent money and people are not moving. 1 billion shillings. There is no change in Ol Kalou. So if you guys are going there to cover the by-election, make sure you carry change, otherwise you lose your money. The only currency in circulation is 1,000. So if you want tea, you must pay with 1,000, there is no change. So I'm just giving you free advice in case you are deployed in Ol Kalou. Please, there's too much money and 1,000 shillings note, and you are likely to lose your money. So if you have nuti ya chai, chukua cheji ya 100. Si ndio? Na hakuna hoteli ya kukaa, you know where to stay. All the places are full. And also be careful. When you go there, take care. The Pilet Girls have also gone to Ol Kalou. You know what they do during the tea bonus. You know the tea bonus? They normally move where the tea bonus is. The bonus of this year is Ol Kalou. All the Pilet Girls from Nairobi, from Mombasa, they are in Ol Kalou. If I go there myself, I'll also be very careful. I don't want to get in trouble with the Reverend Doctors. Yeah, so mukienda huko pia mjue iko namna hiyo. That is the atmosphere in Ol Kalou. Nimeona nisaidie nyinyi kwa sababu ni marafiki yangu, msiende kupata shida huko. Si ndio? Yeah. And also Ol Kalou is a good opportunity for many fellows who have run away from their homes on escapades. Wanasema tumeenda Kalou, wamechukua magafre, wameenda kuishi huko. So iko mambo mingi sana yanaendelea Ol Kalou. Ndio watu wameniambia tunataka hii uchaguzi ishe turudi kwa mashamba. People have abandoned their farms. The Pilet Girls need to go back to Mombasa and Nairobi. We want to conclude this election so that people can go back to their farms. The Pilet Girls can go back to where they have come from. All the people who have run away from their homes can go back to their wives. Yeah? And also we can get normal currency so that we restore the dignity of the economy. Otherwise, the money has stifled the economy of Ol Kalou. It's just too much confusion, in the economy of Ol Kalou. And it is not sustainable. So we may have shock therapy, which we don't want in Ol Kalou. After the election is gone, there will be shock because of absence of money. I think